dushimira ekipe ya gatatu ariyo Mahawk. We are going to have a group photo. I would like to invite all our cameramen and photographers to join us. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, congratulations to the bronze medalist Morocco national team. Amashimwe dushimira ikipe ya Mahawk. Thank you so much. And I would like to take this moment to thank a lot Yazid, Swani, and Eric Taisne on helping us awarding the bronze medalist. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to award the silver medalist ahead of the Under-18 Africa Main Handball Championship. And it is with a great pleasure to welcome the President of Zone 5, Dr. Fite, and the President of Rwanda Handball Federation to kindly join us on the stage and help us awarding the silver medalist. Ladies and gentlemen, the silver medalists ahead of the Under-18 African Men's Handball Championship 2022 is the national team of Rwanda.
C'est le type de Rwanda qui a occupé la deuxième place ce championnat d'Afrique de moins de 18 ans. Monsieur Pété, c'est le président de la Rwanda, d'accord, récompenser l'équipe du Rwanda avec le médaille d'argent.
Amashimwe cyane dushimira ikipe y'u Rwanda yabaye iya kabiri y'irushanwa rya Under-18 ku rwego rwa Afurika. Ikindi kandi u Rwanda rwabonye itike yo kuzakina igikombe cy'isi mu mwaka utaha muri Croatia. Amashimwe cyane ku ikipe y'igihugu y'u Rwanda. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, please give it up for the national team of Rwanda. Thank you so much and congratulations to the national team of Rwanda. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with a great pleasure to welcome Honorable the Minister of Sports of Rwanda, Honorable Nyanga Jiro Kibosa, with the President of the African Handball Confederation to kindly please join us on the stage, help us award the gold medalists and the winners of the Under-18 Africa Men's Handball Championship 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, the champions, the winners, the gold medalists of the Under-18 Africa Men's Handball Championship
white. Whoever white man never chini. White. Imutemani wakubanyo. Sesa?
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, please give up for the national team of Egypt. And now we're going to have a group photo of us. We're going to have first half the trophy given to the national team of Egypt. And the president of the African Handball Confederation, Dr. Ali Mansour, with the Honorable the Minister of Sports of Rwanda, are going us to help us awarding the best, the champions of the 2022 African Men's Handball Championship, Egypt! Ladies and gentlemen.
Namalo kusimama.
We thank all our sponsors and partners. We thank all the spectators and handball fans for the support and the love you've shown us. God bless you so much. Have a good night. Imani barinde mwarakoze cyane kwitabira irushanwa rya under 18 ndetse na under 20 ku rwego rwa Africa. God bless you. Have a good night.
Murakoze cyane. Nous remercions pour son excellence et le président de la République. Toutes les équipes partenaires.